I'm Madhuri. I am from Haveri, but I'm currently working in Bangalore now. So, it's been 1 year now. I have been like meditating. So, my mom told me to start meditating because I was like preparing for my exams. But I was like, okay, no, I have too much to study. I started like that. But then, like, my mom invited a third eye master to my home. So, she was Lalita master. So she came and she like let us know how to do the process and all, like what is the process of this meditation and all. She told me, but one thing that like clicked my mind was like when I bowed down to touch her feet because I was so grateful for her. She told me like, sir, Patriji doesn't allow anyone to touch her feet. So how can I let you to touch my feet? She told like that. And that's what like I heard for the first time his name Patriji. And I got so fascinated with that word that I was like, okay, let me Google out, like let me know who he is. And then like I got connected to PMC channel, everything. I just got to know about Patriji. And then like we did a session for 41 days in our home, like Sumangala Salimat ma'am, she conducted 41 days session in our home. So then like from that day I started to do meditation from a regular basis. And like before meditation I was having a lot of thoughts in my mind running, and like our family was facing, like we were going through a different kind of situation. So even I was a part of that, even though it was not related to me, but as a part of a family I was just observing. I even like every day I used to like cry and I used to sleep asking questions like why is this happening with us. And then like after doing that 41 days of meditation, there was a lot of changes within me. From the first day I observed that there was no thoughts running in my mind, and I was wondering like I am very peaceful within me now. And then like gradually within 41 days there was a lot of changes within me. And then like as sir tells, like Swadhyaya is very important, I started to read books and all. And like with a book called like Immortal Talks, I realized about the soul. And when I realized that even I am a soul and I am here to experience, and that perspective changed rest of the problem. I started to deal each and every situation and every problem from a different perspective. I can tell like from a soul's perspective I was seeing. And I started to accept that like, okay, everyone has soul over here and everyone are here to experience. And that's what like I started to see everyone like just they are the great masters and they are a soul here just for the experience. And then like I met Patriji sir, and it was like it was all because of the my sankalpa I could tell, because I was not able to meet him. Even though I was in a Pyramid Valley, I was not able to meet him. But when I sat one day in the Pyramid Valley and I made a sankalpa that before I leave this Bangalore, like Pyramid Valley, I will meet him personally and I will sit beside him. I just wanted to ask him that I just want to hug you. And the day I met him, the next day itself I met him, okay? And I just asked him that I want to hug you. He was like, yeah, you can hug me. So that day I can't forget that one. And later I was introduced to Paima. So it was by Vishwanath sir. So like then another like part of my life was started from Paima. So then like we were like serving voluntarily. It might the whole team, we conduct sessions and all. It is like amazing journey till now, and like we are here to serve, and like we are enjoying this meditation, and we are enjoying like by knowing the truth of the life. After doing like meditation regularly, I started to realize that thoughts are very important. I started to like observe my thoughts, and I was like realizing that everything was turning into reality. Like I just wanted a good friend and I got a good friend. I started it, it was more of like a manifestation also, but my thoughts were literally turning into reality. It might be regarding my office space or the place where I stay. I just wanted a good kind of vegetarian environment. And like when I started to release such kind of thoughts, and it all turned into reality. And it might be regarding friend also. I just wanted a good like spiritual friends. And like Paima team like let me know, like it just introduced me a lot of good spiritual friends, which I literally wanted, because even I was in the growing stage. In my workspace also, like with the help of gratitude, like I was able to change all the situations which were like going on. It might be regarding the challenges which were there, like everything like situation, because like the environment wasn't like all the positive and all, but due like using the gratitude and with the help of thoughts, like you know, the situations used to change. And I realized that it all started after doing the meditation. I started to read the books. It might be Immortal Talks, Conversation with Mahathir Babaji, and Bhagavad Gita and Bible, and also Patriji, like recent book like Patriji's answers and all. There were like all the books I started to read, and like I think so like I wasn't aware that such answers like I needed, but I wasn't raising such questions. But indirectly, I was getting all the answers from these books. It might be regarding soul journey, it might be regarding the thoughts, manifestation. All the concepts were like I was getting from the books. After coming into meditation only, then I realized like there is a concept called as angels, you know, which Patriji sir, even he used to tell, like if anything confusion is there, just leave it on the angels, they will help you out. So even I started to do like experiment with my angels. It might be taking guidance, or it might be whenever I had confusion, I used to ask them, okay, I have too much of confusion now, so let me know, like let me give any signal that so that even I get a clarity that like I'm on the right way or not. So like that I got like too much of clarity from the concept of angels, because as sir tells, there is guardian angel with each and every person. So this guardian angel, like that angel will be there with us from a birth to death. He will be looking after us. But these angels and all, they don't like take a step by themselves, you know, they wait for our order. So as there is a concept like for each and every area also there is a angels, like for the parking lot also there will be an angel, in the nature also there will be angels, but they will be awaiting for our orders. So if we want something, so we can take help from them. There is like, and there is like many times during my meditation experience also, I have seen angels, and the I could hear wing sounds and all. So I got like many messages from the angels. So like many times I have done experiment also, and have taken like I have like taken help from them whenever I'm there in the confusion, whenever I needed clarity, whenever I'm stuck in somewhere. So I will just request them that so and so things I need, and like I need a clarity, and they would like help me out, and they would give me a sign. At least I will be asking them any sign that I need so and so sign, that I get clarity that I'm on the right way. So even I tried, like I have experimented a lot with angels, and after doing meditation, I started to observe that each and every person who have connected to me, they might be like non-meditators, whenever I told about meditation, about the Pyramid Valley, they got so excited, and they planned to come over Pyramid Valley also, and they have started to meditate also. Because whenever I speak what is my weekend plan, I tell like I am going to Pyramid Valley. So that's how the conversation starts. And whenever I show the pics and all, they get excited to know about the meditation also, and also to visit Pyramid Valley. So like that, like I feel very blessed that many souls are getting connected to me, and they are starting their journey. And I'm blessed to be part, like to be a media to start, like to help them to start their journey. So from the beginning, I was very fond of Sri Ram and Sita. I don't know why, but like once after doing this meditation, I got to know about the book The Untold Story of Sita, which was recommended by Patriji sir. So once I started to read that book, I feel so connected to that book that the energy was, when I started to read that book, I could feel that energy was flowing within me, and knowing the truth about what the real Sitayana was, real Ramayana was such a beautiful thing in my life. Because even I had a question that why did Sri Ram like let her to take like Agni Pariksha when he was such a good person. There was still a few questions left in me. But after reading the book, I got so much of clarity that what is exactly truth, what happened. And we never knew that even Sita and Sri Ram were meditators. You know, like we just know what the situation, like Ravana, what all the things happen, but we never knew that even they were meditators. So many things like the stories like from the book, I got to know about that, and I felt so connected. It might be regarding the nature also, and the Mother Sita was so connected to nature. She was born like from the earth itself. So realizing that, like each step, even now I feel like so connected to earth just because of that book. And regarding cooking also, Mother Sita, she used to like heal anyone with the help of food itself, you know. It might be like any problem the person is facing, so she used to cook food. With the help of food only, she used to heal them, she used to cure them, you know. She used to change that other persons and all. So I realized the importance of cooking also. It has such a power that we can like heal the person, we can change the person also. So we earn in lakhs, we are in a competitive world, you know, but how to deal this life, how to like enjoy this life, only meditation can help you out to know the reality of this life, you know. how to balance life, because spiritual life is very important to understand what exactly this life is. So I wish the whole, like as Patriji sir Sankalpa is there, Dhyan Jagat, Shakahar Jagat, Pyramid Jagat. So we are on that path, and like we are serving, and we want each and everyone to be a meditator, and to understand what exactly this life is. So let's meditate and let's enjoy this life. So this is the 5th time I am visiting Pyramid Valley, and it's such an amazing place. And every time I step into Pyramid Valley, I become very aware about my thoughts, because I know, because each and every thought I release over inside the Pyramid Valley, everything gets manifested. Because the first time I came, I just made a sankalpa that like I want to meet Patriji, and within the next day I was able to meet him. And I wanted a book called Sitayana, and the next day I was holding the book. So every thought I release inside the Pyramid Valley, it all gets manifested so easily, because the astral masters are there looking after us, and like every thought is like, it is turning into reality. So, and it's such an amazing place. All the, like, you have beautiful nature over here, and you have like every day the Annadana Seva will be there for everyone. Surrounding of Pyramid Valley is so much like energetic and powerful, that wherever you sit, like you can feel that energy is flowing within you, and it is completely peaceful. And each rock, it might be in the Tapasthali also, like there are rocks and all, you feel so connected that everyone are looking at you, and you can, like, you'll be willing to talk to each and everything over there, because you'll feel everything is lively over there. So like each and every place, like every part of this Pyramid Valley International is so beautiful and so energetic, and like you can feel that energy all over the place. I have seen many people, they have experienced a lot. It might be from the accident, it might be from the cancer, health issues, it might be anything, okay? They have stayed here and they have utilized the Pyramid Valley energy, and they have seen the miraculous experience. Even I have witnessed very closely a person like who met with an accident, but the doctor told like to take 3 months of rest. But then we as a meditators, we won't believe what doctors say. So we thought to like with the same person I came to Pyramid Valley, it was Sumangla ma'am. So like we came here, we stayed for a week, and like she could heal herself with the help of energy. It was not like she came to Pyramid Valley, okay, she was not able to walk also, but staying in the room and meditating also, she could heal her pain, heal her all the like accident injuries which was inside. So this was a miraculous experience which I saw very closely. So even there is a lot of experience all like having regarding to health issues also. So like one could come and they could stay here and like can do practice meditations, no medicine, no doctor concept, and we can utilize pyramid energy to cure ourselves, and we can say no to medicine. Thank you.